Guys, whenever we check the digital display of our air conditioner, the temperature being shown is the very exact same temperature which is there on the remote. So this temperature is known as the target temperature, and this is the thing that we are trying to achieve using the air conditioner. But guys, do you know that in certain latest models of Samsung air conditioner, you can actually view the real room temperature on the AC display? To activate this feature, what we need to do is long press this particular button, which is known as the left to right swing, also known as the horizontal swing. Let's press the button for around 5 seconds, and in a few moments the option will be updated on the AC display. And now as we can see that the display will change and it is showing the actual room temperature, which is 27 degree, even though we are trying to achieve 26 degree using this particular remote. Now whenever we set the options, whenever we set the temperature using remote, let's say that if I want to achieve 23 degrees Celsius for 5 seconds, the AC display will show 23, but then it will revert back again to the actual or to the real room temperature. So guys, this particular mode is known as the true room temperature mode. To disable this option and go back to the old fashion, we can long press the very same button again. So let's try that. I'll be long pressing the horizontal swing button, and now as you can see that the display on your air conditioner will be perfectly matched with what is being shown on this particular remote. So if your remote is showing 24, the display is going to keep showing 24 regardless of whatever your actual room temperature is. Guys, this is the Samsung WindFree 1.5 ton, and along with this particular AC, I'll provide a bunch of affiliate buying links for variety of latest models in the first comment or in the description below. Make sure to check them out. And yes, if you want to learn variety of hidden tips and tricks, something like this, there are a bunch of them. You can click any of these cards which are popping up on your screen right now and learn something new today. Take care and have a nice day, guys.